We haven't done a video for a while, but today we're doing fidget trading
with me, Jeffrey.
and me.
Okay, so who's gonna start?
I will. So I can trade my sheep squishy.
I think I'm gonna trade this
Eyeball one.
eyeball.
What does it do?
It like squishes and you can like see the eyeball. And it's like glittery. It's like soft.
Can I feel?
Yeah, sure you can go. See, it's nice.
I'll accept.
Okay, that's good. Yes. So much.
Okay, you start this time.
I'm gonna offer my purple cube.
I am gonna offer my pink ball.
I see that's fair. Should we accept?
Accept. Ready? ASMR. Okay, I'll start this time. I'm gonna go for a blue heart.
Okay. I'll trade this dog. It's very squishy, filled with air. Very big too. And stretchy.
Even though this is jumbo, I think I'm gonna add one more as it's jumbo.
Okay, that's fair.
The red
Yeah.
heart. I accept. Because this one is a jumbo squishy.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to give me something jumbo back, but I'm going to put in my jumbo air duck for trade.
I will trade, since it's jumbo, I say it's fair, so I'm going to do these 3 and 2 cubes, so that's a lot.
I am going to accept.
Let's go.
Get a jumbo squishy.
Okay, I know this isn't really a squishy, but it's really soft.
Okay, so let's feel.
And it's got
Oh yeah. Yeah. I will add this small air squishy, but it lights up.
okay.
Okay.
Add
One more.
one more.
I'll give you your purple
Okay.
cube back.
Accept.
Accept.
Let's go.
I'll start this one. I'm gonna trade in my squishy alien. Ready? Okay, smart.
I haven't traded this one yet, so I feel like I'm going to trade this glittery one.
Here's more.
So satisfying. And it lights up.
Ooh, can I feel?
It's rare, very rare. Very rare.
That's really good, actually. I think I will accept.
Accept.
For this one,
Wait, this one's.
oh, it's supposed to be like that.
Oh, okay.
I got that off. Okay, I'm feeling generous, and I'm gonna trade 3 things. So I'm trading the mellow, the double-ended, and the yellow one.
Can you decline one squishy?
Take away one squishy.
Yes.
What one would you? That one. You don't want this one.
No.
Okay.
I'll trade you these. I recently traded that one.
Yes, I do remember. I think I am going to accept. 2 against 2, so it's got to be fair.
Needs mellow money. Mallow. I'm going to put it in the sunlight and see if it colour changes.
Should be back in a minute. while she does that, I'm going to give you some ASMR. How's it going, Jeffrey? No, you got to come back in. You come back in.
So you can see it went purple. You can kind of still see the purple. Kind of.
Yeah. There you go.
Should we leave it on that chair and wait and come
No,
back? Okay.
because we've got to get on with fidget training. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling kind of generous. And I'm going to do a whole heart potion. Pass this in. Do you want me to decline? Like, take away one. What one? What one?
Any. Okay. Okay, that's good now.
These are super
I'm gonna
red
do
diamond hearts.
A pink one and a blue one, and show you the colours of yours. And I also got a Nido, you know, a Nido. They're really hard to find, and this glitter squishy.
I accept. Ready, guys? Yes, Mum.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to start.
Okay.
Okay, this one is quite rare. So,
And it's got suction feet. So you can
well,
sit
if
it.
I add these two, I might want you to add one more.
What? What? What do you want? Not want. You don't want.
Okay.
You don't want those.
Otherwise, I accept.
Okay, let's go. I've got two Nidos, the colour changing one and the colour changing in sunlight, and I've got a jumbo. I think we're gonna end this video and we're gonna do a part 2 with different squishies.
Okay, bye guys.